এবার কি আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন স্ক্রিনটা?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we are starting section 3 of module 1, which is sustainable business management. Or alternatively, we can say that how to manage the business or organization for sustainability. In this section, we are going to cover 7 issues relating to sustainable business management, business ethics, political and social issues, economic issues, environmental, innovation and sustainable business management, human development and sustainable business management, and what about the global business models regarding sustainability. So, sustainable business management is basically a good combination of sustainability and business ethics. Just compare two things. You have business ethics and you have some sustainable targets. So you are to make a balance between these two. On the ethics side, you have to maintain a good relationship. You have to follow principles. Your behavior will be very good. You will be responsible. Everyone or your stakeholders trust you. You have a good moral. You are reliable. These are your ethics. And on the other hand, for sustainability, you have to consider the environmental factor, societal factor, governance, etc. So in a nutshell, managing the business with a addressing to sustainability as well as business ethics may be defined as sustainable business management. And another important thing is we have to align our business with political, environmental, and socio-economic issues. Why that? Because if the political condition of a country is very unstable, you cannot run your business very well. You cannot make your profit. You cannot satisfy your customer. This is one side. On the environment, you have to align your activities with the environment. How? Don't do anything wrong with the environment. That is, don't pollute the environment. Don't put your waste which is harmful to the environment and society, and as well as some socio-economic issues like corruption, poverty, overpopulation. These are also relevant to the business to achieve the sustainability. And innovation is another key thing, because once you have something new, you have that capability for comparing to your competitors, that you are in such a position which give you more profit, more comfort, more comparative advantages, which make you more sustainable in your business without hampering the 3 pillars of sustainability. And now the business ethics. Ethics is very important, not for only sustainability, for all aspects in the business. Ethical issues, right, fair treatment, good behavior, following principles with moral, everybody trusting us. These are very good to hear, as well as we have to practice it. And there should be a good balance between the social and moral factors. If you were so strong about your ethics and ignoring the society or social factors, you are very strict on your ethics, but you are ignoring the current fashion. Once you are in the apparel industry, so everybody will throw out you. So if you are aligning your activities with the ethics, as well as you have to balance with the society and social factors. And political and social issues. As I mentioned earlier, political power is something which can change your business, which can force your business to do anything or any other thing. It depends on the political power of the country. Even it depends on the political power of your own organization. For example, in your country, you are running a business and you are more powerful one of the powerful person in the country. So you can do anything. But mind that you have to maintain the sustainable business, social, human, economic, environmental. Can you see the difference? Previously, we are saying social, economic, and environmental. Now we are saying human. That means sustainability has 3 pillars, but it's not limited with the 3. There may be 4 or 5 or 6 pillars also. And customer, social culture. These 2 things control your business sustainability. Because if your customers are not satisfied with your product or service, what about your economic growth? There will be no economic benefit, right? And if you don't follow your social or national culture, people will throw out you, will not follow or purchase your product. As well as different social system or societies force the organization towards sustainable careers. For example, from our society or being a member in a society, we expect to the big companies, corporates, that they will make some good jobs, sustainable careers, where there is scope of or opportunity for further development and enrichment. And economic variables, another important issue. It may be inflation. There are lots of economic variables. These variables sometimes considered as obstacle. Again, these are sometimes become the opportunities. For example, you have inflation, low GDP. These issues make your business vulnerable as well as stronger also. If you find any scope that through your business you can improve the GDP, then you are achieving social, economical sustainability. Socio-economic sustainability social economic sustainability is achievable through economic empowerment of the stakeholder. Who are the stakeholders? Business stakeholders are employers, customers, inside the organization, outside the organization, all the people are the stakeholders. And once we are empowering all the stakeholders, the society is benefited. So socio-economic stability is ensured. And environment. Energy efficiency and value creation from the West make your business a step ahead from your competitor towards sustainability. The whole, not only Bangladesh, not only Asia, the whole country, the whole world is suffering from energy because it is limited. You cannot create or maximize this natural resource. So every organization should be very efficient in using the natural energy. And it is better, and it is not only better, it is very welcoming that if we can create any value from the waste, that means the waste we are disposing, we can reuse it, reproduce it, and we can make the energy from it. And if we ignore the environmental issues, if we hamper the environment, increasing the carbon emission, noises, etc., then we are in a greater risk and we are losing our sustainability. So it is very strongly emphasized that organization should do environment friendly operations and focusing on the ecology, that the ecology and environment is not hampered at all. Now, innovation and sustainable business management. Once you can do some innovation, it will directly impact your sustainability. And this innovation must be green innovation. Why it is termed as green? Good for sustainability. Just imagine you have a very unique product which is very new to the market. The people will behind it, and your sale will increase day by day in a large scale. But this innovation should not hamper economic, social, or environmental sustainability at all. If so, then these innovation capabilities ensure your long-term competitiveness and business growth over the years. Human is the main driver, and trained and skilled human resources are the keys for higher productivity. Through training and with the skilled people, it is proven that they can reduce the operating cost, they can initiate innovative activities, and they can guarantee the quality of their active actions and outputs. As a whole, if you have these skilled people in your organization, you are getting the advantage to meet the sustainability. And finally, global business models. To be sustainable, no business can avoid the technological advancement, because each and every day, at every moment, technology is advancing. And with this advancement, we have to adapt. As well as efficient energy management, it is important. All the business, global business or big business, you can see they are emphasizing on their energy management particularly. And worldwide, public-private partnership framework is running on, and where the public, that is government, is providing the infrastructure mainly, and the private sector running that structure and creating the profit and giving the government the revenue. Such framework is good for almost all the occasion without in some cases, if you have some bad intention, that is different. However, the organizations should improve the interactions between individual and groups. We know individual and group behavior is different. So the interaction between the group behavior, it should be improved, and it can promote innovation for better economic performance. Why better economic performance? You have innovation. You have the competitive advantage. You have the new idea. So sell this idea and earn money. Your performance will run on. So this was a very small presentation on section 3. And end of this session, I am welcoming you about your questions. Now you can please ask any question or any queries.